Alright, man. I'm starting a new little series here with the vehicles that I find out at the auctions. And I think we're going to start off with a really nice example. We got here 1986 El Camino. I believe it's an SS. Says SS on the outside there. But this thing is, man, this is one nice vehicle. Check out the mileage on there. There goes my water. On there. Does have a crack there on the. Sucks because other than that, well, just got a little one over there and one right there. But man, it's in really nice shape. Man, carpet looks like it's brand new. We might have replaced it. Door panels are extremely nice. Headliner, nice. Sun visors, starting to give a little. There's this door panel there. It sucks, man. It's raining. Not raining hard, it's drizzling, but you know, sprinkling. But yeah, they replaced, I guess, the original with an aftermarket radio. Yeah, man, this thing's got the, got the tack, got the full set of gauges on it. It's a nice car, man. Yeah, you got it. The outside is just as nice. Under the hood is just as nice. What will this go for? I don't know. You guys, what do you guys? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hang around to see what it goes for, and then we'll you guys try to guess, see what this thing will actually go for, and then I'll probably post it in the comments. All right, let's check this out now. Well, let's look at the back here. Let me get out of here. Here are the seats. Oh crap, there's one. Clean seats, man. Yeah. This thing is freaking spotless almost, man. If it wasn't for the dash being cracked, man, almost looked like it came out the showroom floor. Now it was repainted. I can see there, right there. It has had a respray, but it's in really nice shape. All right. Nice. Back up here. Take a look underneath in a second here. Inside. There's going to be people walking around, so you know. Set of Kragers underneath. I mean, clean under here, man. This thing was, I mean, really well taken care of. It's got a 5.0 real 5 in it. It does say, it's hard to see there, but it is 86. I got under the hood. I mean, I got the hood itself. This thing is go right on the road right now. Sorry, it's been inspected. this side always. Yeah, look over there. Look underneath real quick. Fairly new exhaust. Look at that. If I see it, around this way. I didn't see a tag. That's not a limited slip. There's no rear sway bar either. But these wheels are nice, man. Nice set of Kragers. What size are these? 15s. So from this side here, I'd hate for this thing to get a door ding. Let's see, just open it like that. Yeah. Let's see if they got owner's manual, glove compartment. There you go. See, yeah. There it is, 86. That back in there. Yeah, man, this thing's 100% roadworthy. Shoot, I wouldn't mind owning this, but I don't think this is gonna go cheap, man. I don't. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is a clean car, man. Wait a second here, let me look underneath here. I don't know how much can be seen, but I'm assuming just as clean as the top part. Yeah. Nice car, man. Nice car. Now go ahead and take a guess. What do you think this will go for? Wow. That is one clean El Camino. Alright, man, on to the next one. Like I said, y'all hurry up and give me your guess to what this will go for at auction, and then I'll post it in the comments. Alright.